Welcome to this guided meditation for balancing your chakras. I am honored to guide you through this journey of alignment and energy healing. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Close your eyes and allow your body to relax completely, feeling the support beneath you. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your body with fresh energy, and exhale softly, letting go of any tension or stress. This time is for you. As you breathe, allow your breath to fall into a gentle rhythm. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in light and energy. With each exhale, release any tension or heaviness, allowing your body to relax further. We begin with the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This chakra is associated with grounding, security, and stability. Visualize a deep red light at the base of your spine, glowing warmly. With each breath, imagine this red light becoming brighter, stronger, and more stable. Feel the energy spreading down through your legs, connecting you to the earth beneath you. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, "I am safe. I am secure. I am grounded." Allow this red energy to anchor you, feeling the stability it brings to your entire body. Now, move your awareness to the sacral chakra, located just below your navel. This chakra is the center of creativity, passion, and emotional well-being. Visualize a warm, orange light glowing in this area. With each breath, feel this orange light expanding, filling your lower abdomen with warmth and vitality. As you focus on this energy, silently affirm, "I embrace my creativity. I allow my emotions to flow freely." Feel this orange light energizing you, bringing balance and flow to your emotions and desires. Next, move up to the solar plexus chakra, located in your upper abdomen. This is your center of power, confidence, and self-esteem. Visualize a bright yellow light glowing just above your navel. With every inhale, imagine this yellow light becoming more vibrant and powerful, filling you with courage and strength. As you breathe, affirm to yourself, "I am powerful. I am confident. I trust myself." Feel the warmth of this yellow light radiating through your body, igniting your inner power and strength. Now, bring your awareness to your heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. This chakra is the seat of love, compassion, and connection. Visualize a soft green light glowing in your heart center. With each breath, feel this green light expanding, surrounding your entire chest with warmth, love, and compassion. As you focus on this light, repeat the affirmation, "I am open to love. I give and receive love freely." Feel the energy of your heart opening, connecting you to yourself and to others with unconditional love. Move your attention up to the throat chakra, located at your throat. This chakra represents communication, truth, and self-expression. Visualize a bright blue light at your throat, glowing like a clear sky. As you breathe, feel this blue light growing, expanding, and clearing any blockages in your throat. Affirm to yourself, "I speak my truth with clarity. I express myself with ease." Feel the energy of this blue light supporting your communication, helping you express your authentic self freely. Now, bring your focus to the third eye chakra, located in the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows. This chakra is the seat of intuition, insight, and wisdom. Visualize a deep indigo light glowing at your third eye. With each breath, feel this indigo light expanding, opening your mind to clarity and insight. Silently repeat the affirmation, "I trust my intuition. I see clearly and with wisdom." Allow this indigo light to expand your awareness, connecting you to your inner guidance. Finally, move your attention to the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. This chakra represents your connection to the divine and to the universe. Visualize a radiant violet or white light at the top of your head, glowing brightly. As you breathe, imagine this light expanding upward, connecting you to the energy of the universe. Affirm to yourself, "I am connected to the divine. I am one with the universe." Feel the light of this energy flowing down through your body, connecting all your chakras and bringing them into alignment. Now, take a moment to visualize all 7 chakras aligned, glowing brightly in their colors. Red at your base, orange at your sacral, yellow at your solar plexus, green at your heart, blue at your throat, indigo at your third eye, and violet or white at your crown. Feel the energy flowing smoothly through your entire body, bringing balance, harmony, and peace. With each breath, feel the energy of your chakras connecting and balancing. You are whole, you are complete, and your energy centers are aligned. As we begin to close this meditation, take a deep breath in, filling your entire body with this balanced energy. Slowly exhale, feeling a deep sense of peace and alignment. You are balanced, you are in harmony, and your energy flows freely. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of balance and peace with you throughout your day. Thank yourself for taking this time to balance your chakras and to care for your body, mind, and spirit. Know that you can return to this place of alignment whenever you need to.